What if other dimensions aren't just sci-fi? Today on Dimensional Mysteries, we're counting down 30 mind-blowing discoveries that might prove they're real. These hidden gems of science will make you question everything you know about reality. Buckle up, things are about to get weird. Number 30. Quantum entanglement. Spooky action at a distance. Let's kick off with one of the strangest phenomena in quantum physics, quantum entanglement. Imagine two particles staying connected, no matter how far apart they are, even across galaxies. Change one, and the other reacts instantly. Einstein himself called it spooky action at a distance, but it's more than spooky. It's making scientists question whether information is being exchanged through dimensions we can't see. Number 29. Dark matter, the invisible substance holding the universe together. What if most of the universe is made of something we can't even detect? That's the mystery of dark matter. It doesn't emit light, energy, or interact with anything we know, yet it's everywhere. Some scientists believe dark matter might be connected to hidden dimensions, where the rules are entirely different from what we know. It could be the key to unlocking new realities. Number 28. The multiverse theory, parallel realities. Just a step away, the multiverse theory suggests our universe isn't alone. It's one of countless others existing in different dimensions. Each might have different laws of physics, alternate histories, and even different versions of you. While we can't directly see these other universes, some researchers believe strange anomalies in cosmic data hint at them brushing up against ours. Number 27. The Large Hadron Collider, crashing particles, unlocking dimensions. The Large Hadron Collider is the world's most powerful particle accelerator, and it's been designed to unlock the universe's deepest mysteries. Some scientists believe that when particles are smashed together at near-light speed, it might reveal evidence of extra dimensions. The hunt for tiny black holes or new particles could be the gateway to other realities. Number 26. Black holes' portals to other worlds. Black holes already boggle the mind, but some researchers think they could be more than just cosmic vacuums. The black hole information paradox raises the idea that information isn't destroyed when sucked into a black hole, but instead might be stored, or even transferred, into another dimension. Could these be natural portals to alternate worlds? Number 25. Time dilation. Time slows down in black holes. As you get closer to a black hole, time itself starts to slow down compared to the outside world. This warping of space-time could be more than a bizarre physics trick. It might be a clue that black holes connect to other dimensions, where time behaves in ways we can't even imagine. Number 24. The fifth force, a new force beyond physics. We all know about gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces. But some scientists believe they've found evidence of a fifth fundamental force. Detected through anomalies in particle behavior, this mysterious force could be operating in a hidden dimension, fundamentally altering how we understand the universe. Number 23. Cosmic anomalies, multiverse collisions. Ever heard of strange cold spots in the cosmic microwave background? The afterglow of the Big Bang? These anomalies don't fit with our current models of the universe. Some experts think they might be evidence of collisions between our universe and parallel ones. If true, it could be direct evidence that we live in a multiverse. Number 22. Neutrinos. Ghost particles passing through everything. Neutrinos are incredibly hard to detect, often called ghost particles, because they pass through almost everything without leaving a trace. But there's something even weirder. Some researchers believe neutrinos might be slipping between dimensions. These particles could be visitors from parallel universes, leaving us clues of realities just beyond our reach. Number 21. Gravity's weakness, the leaky force. Ever wonder why gravity feels so weak compared to other forces, like electromagnetism? One theory suggests that gravity might be leaking into other dimensions, spreading its influence across multiple realities. If this idea is proven, it could provide solid evidence that extra dimensions exist, hidden right alongside our own. Number 20. Quantum tunneling, particles breaking. Dimensional barriers. Quantum tunneling is when particles pass through barriers they shouldn't be able to, as if they've momentarily slipped into another dimension to bypass the obstacle. It's a key part of processes like nuclear fusion in stars, and might just be the universe's way of showing us that there's more going on behind the scenes than we realize. Number 19. The Mandela Effect, a glitch in the Matrix. Ever had a memory so clear, only to find out it never happened? This collective false memory phenomenon, known as the Mandela Effect, has people wondering if it's proof of parallel realities merging. Some theorists believe these memory discrepancies are the result of different dimensions brushing up against ours, shifting small details in our timeline. Number 18, the shadow biosphere, life in another dimension. What if life exists right here on Earth, but we just can't detect it? That's the idea behind the shadow biosphere. Scientists propose that alternative forms of life could exist alongside us, built from different biochemical processes. These life forms could be thriving in parallel dimensions, invisible to our technology and senses. Number 17, string theory, the math behind multiple dimensions. String theory proposes that the fundamental building blocks of the universe aren't particles, but tiny vibrating strings, and that these strings vibrate in up to 11 dimensions. These extra dimensions might be curled up, too small for us to observe, but they could hold the key to understanding how the universe really works. Number 16, quantum foam, the foundation of reality. While at the smallest scales, space-time is thought to be made up of quantum foam, a turbulent sea of constantly bubbling energy. Some physicists believe this foam might connect to multiple dimensions, hinting that the structure of reality itself is more fluid and multidimensional than we ever imagined. Number 15, wormholes, cosmic tunnels to other universes. Wormholes are theoretical tunnels in space-time that could connect distant points in the universe, or even different dimensions. While we haven't observed one yet, wormholes remain a tantalizing possibility for interdimensional travel. Imagine a shortcut to a parallel universe, just a step away through a wormhole. Number 14, strange matter, the building blocks of other universes. Strange matter, a hypothesized form of quark-based material, could be the foundation of entire parallel universes. This exotic substance might have properties that allow it to exist in higher dimensions, with physics entirely different from our own. If strange matter is ever discovered, it could open the door to understanding realities beyond our own. Number 13, the Alcubierre drive, warp speed through dimensions. Inspired by science fiction, the Alcubierre drive is a theoretical, faster-than-light travel concept that works by bending space-time around a spacecraft. Some scientists think that manipulating space-time this way could involve accessing higher dimensions, which might make interdimensional travel a future reality. Number 12, ghost particles, neutrinos and dimensional visitors. We mentioned neutrinos before, but here's something even stranger. Some scientists believe that high-energy neutrinos might originate from other dimensions. In 2018, neutrinos coming from the Antarctic ice sparked speculation that they could be the remains of events happening in parallel worlds. Ghost particles indeed. Number 11, quantum superposition, being in two places at once. In the quantum world, particles can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition. Some physicists believe this might be a clue that particles are interacting with parallel dimensions, existing in more than one reality simultaneously. It's like the ultimate Schrödinger's cat paradox, except it might actually be happening. Number 10, the shadow universe. Could there be a mirror to ours? The shadow universe is a speculative idea that our universe has an exact mirror version in a hidden dimension. In this alternate reality, particles would interact differently, but everything else would mirror our own world. Some scientists think this theory could explain anomalies in particle physics that don't fit with our current understanding. Number 9, the Fermi paradox. Where are the aliens? The Fermi paradox asks why we haven't detected alien life, given the vastness of the universe. One theory suggests that advanced civilizations might exist in dimensions beyond our own, making them invisible to us. If true, this could explain why the search for extraterrestrial life has come up empty. Our neighbors are just in another reality. Number 8, time travel. Could it be dimensional? Some researchers believe time travel might be possible through interactions with other dimensions. The idea is that by bending space-time, or traveling through a wormhole, you could move not only through time, but also across dimensions, visiting alternate timelines and realities. While still purely theoretical, this could open up a whole new way of thinking about time and space. Number 7, the vanishing plane, Crater Lake's dimensional mystery. In 1944, a military plane disappeared near Crater Lake National Park, only for its wreckage to be discovered 70 years later in a place that didn't make sense. Some speculate that this vanishing act could be the result of a temporary dimensional shift, where the plane crossed into another reality and only reappeared decades later. Number 6. Parallel universes in our heads. The many worlds of consciousness. Some scientists speculate that our consciousness might be able to tap into other dimensions. The theory of quantum consciousness suggests that the brain operates on a quantum level, allowing us to experience parallel realities without even knowing it. Could dreams and déjà vu be glimpses into other dimensions? Number 5. The unexplained lights of Shenandoah. Are they from another dimension? Shenandoah National Park is home to strange, glowing lights that appear and disappear without explanation. Some believe these lights are evidence of dimensional bleed-throughs, where energy from other realms momentarily intersects with our own, offering a brief glimpse into a parallel world. Number 4. The Devil's Den. Time slips in national parks. In Arkansas's Devil's Den State Park, an 8-year-old girl went missing in 1946, only to be found days later with no memory of what happened. Her story has led to speculation about time slips and dimensional shifts in remote wilderness areas. Could certain places on Earth serve as natural gateways to other dimensions? Number 3. The quantum foam mystery. Reality's dimensional fabric. Quantum foam is the idea that at the smallest scales, space-time is a frothy, chaotic sea of energy. Some physicists think this foam could be connected to multiple dimensions, where different layers of reality exist, influencing how particles behave at the quantum level. Could this be the key to understanding the fabric of existence itself? Number 2. The Great Attractor. Cosmic forces. From another dimension, far away in the universe, a gravitational force known as the Great Attractor is pulling galaxies towards it at incredible speeds. What's even stranger is that we can't directly observe it. Some scientists think this mysterious force could be evidence of another dimension interacting with our own, influencing cosmic events from behind the curtain. Number 1. Wormholes and the final frontier of dimensions. Wormholes remain the ultimate theoretical possibility for interdimensional travel. If these tunnels through space-time do exist, they could connect different points in space, or even different dimensions. Imagine stepping through a wormhole and finding yourself in a completely different universe, where the laws of physics are as foreign as the landscape. That's it for today's 30 freaky discoveries. If this blew your mind, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Stay curious, stay weird. See you in the next one.